Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you're not, thanks again for joining me. Today we're going to be testing out a low-carb breadcrumb mix that you can purchase online without using pork rinds. So for all of you guys who are not fond of the pork rind breadcrumb type mixture, this may be for you. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, you can see behind me, it is gloomy and cloudy today and I'm sick. It's a really great combination, but we're doing this video anyway, and I'll apologize in advance. I cut off the very end of baking what I was baking and didn't get the final product for a photo, but it's chicken parmesan. It's pretty easy to figure out. The only thing it's missing is the sauce. And I do use Rao's, R-A-O-S sauce, the marinara, because it has a very low sugar content. And so check that out in the stores. It tastes amazing and doesn't have a lot of added sugar to it. Lowest carb store-bought sauce that I could find. So we're gonna get into my kitchen and try out these breadcrumbs. Okay, we're here in my kitchen, and this is the Great Low Carb Bread Company brand. These are the Italian bread crumbs. These are the ingredients. It does have vital wheat gluten and wheat protein isolate. If you're not into that, this is not for you, but if you're kind of lazy keto, it is. It does say 8 servings per container. I get more than that. I'll show you that later. 60 calories, 9 total carbs, 7 of those being fiber, and so it works out to be 2 carbs per serving. So I'm going to take those. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breast tenderloins I've salted and peppered, a egg that I've whisked up here, and then the breadcrumbs. Now what I did was I took half the package of breadcrumbs and did equal parts Parmesan cheese, and I'm just gonna mix this around here, get all the lumps out. And this is how I stretch the ingredients to make more servings than just 8, because as you know, low carb stuff is expensive. And so this is my way of extending that out and also adding some additional flavor. It's amazing. So once I've dredged it through the eggs and the breadcrumbs, I'm just frying this up in my cast iron skillet. These don't take very long because they're thin and small and they taste amazing. So I've done those in batches, and then I've placed it on my cookie sheet on a silicone mat. I'm going to top it with Parmesan cheese and just stick it under the broiler until that cheese melts, and then top it with sauce, and that's it. Okay, that is it. I tested this out on a guest that came over. My entire family, which some are keto and some are not, you really can't tell the difference. When you fry this in your favorite oil, you put the cheese on it, you add the sauce to the top, it tastes like regular breadcrumbs. And as you saw, I make this last a lot longer because it shows that it has 8 servings, which is 2 carbs a serving. We got 16 out of it because I took half of it and mixed it with equal parts Parmesan cheese, and that just gives it extra flavor, no added carbs. This is a super low carb comfort food at its finest. I absolutely love it. If you want to add a pasta to it, the same company does make pasta, and I have done videos using this before. Please watch one of those videos, because if you make it according to the package directions, it tastes horrible. But if you make it the way that I show you how to make it, it is amazing. You can hardly tell the difference in regular pasta, and you're saving yourself tons of carbs. So check out one of those and do this one. I highly recommend this. I really think that it tastes really great, and you don't have to use pork rinds. So pork rinds are cheap and they're easy, and I do use them and they're great, but if you are not fond of that, this is a really, really good other option. I will have it linked in the description box below where you can pick it up, and again, make it stretch by putting in the Parmesan cheese, and then you can get 2 full meals out of it, and maybe even 3 depending on how many you're trying to feed. I made a lot of chicken, so you could even do it in thirds or fourths and really stretch that out for your dollar. So I hope this was helpful and informative. If it is, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with anybody else you think might be looking for something like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of every video I post. I am trying to post weekly. I didn't get one in last week because I was out of town, but we're trying to at least get 1, if not 2, up every week. So I hope you'll join the group. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.